Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for Coinomi. Coinomi is a cryptocurrency wallet where you can store your cryptocurrencies in order to sell them later. To sign up for Coinomi, you'll need to download the app of Coinomi from the Play Store or the App Store. After you download it and install it on your device, you can open it and you can see an interface such like this. Now to sign up, click on create a new wallet and then enter in a password. Your password must be at least 10 characters long. After you're done, you can click on this arrow button. Now you can add in the coins. And just like that, you have created your account for Coinomi. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and we will be soon back with more videos similar to this. Thank you for watching.